Good morning to everyone. Have a blessed day to all of you. This is Franklin Biloria of Autopix Garage. Today's our video episode. We're going to check and adjust the injection pump timing of this vehicle. So first step, we're going to remove this upper engine timing belt cover. Then we're going also to remove this battery so that we can easily access to adjust the injection pump timing. Okay, we have 456 engine, 2.5 liters, single overhead cam. We will use this special tools, Prestroke measuring adapter. Okay, we have here also dial indicator. Now we're going to remove the upper timing belt plastic cover. We have to remove the battery. We will align the camshaft sprocket timing mark, and we will set the number 1 piston to the top dead center. So this is our camshaft sprocket. This is the stationary mark, this one, and this is the moving mark. So we already align each other. Then we have to check also the crankshaft pulley if the stationary and the moving mark are aligned each other. So that's the timing mark of our crankshaft pulley. The stationary and the moving timing mark are aligned together. Okay, we are going to remove the timing check plug at the rear of our injection pump. This is the one. We will loosen the nut of our delivery pipe of our injection pump so that we can easily tilt the injection pump during adjustment of injection pump. Okay, now we will going to remove the end plug of our injection pump. We will going to use this dip socket 12mm and ratchet handle. Before installation of special tool, Prestroke measuring adapter, make sure that post rod is protruding by 10 mm. Protrusion of post rod can be adjusted with an inner nut. Okay, so there is a inner nut inside the special tools, so that we can adjust if not in the specified value. This rod must be 10 mm. So we will measure if within the standard value 10 mm. Okay, so within the standard value 10 mm before we install in our injection pump. Then this one, we will insert our dial indicator, our dial gauge. Install the special tool, Prestroke measuring adapter, to our check plug at the rear of our injection pump. Then tight a little bit. Okay. Next procedure, we're going to turn the crankshaft clockwise to move the number 1 cylinder approximately 30 degrees before compression top dead center. So if you can see the dial gauge, the dial indicator stop moving during we are rotating the crankshaft pulley. It is stopped already. That means the crankshaft reached the 30 degrees before top dead center. I will move the crankshaft pulley clockwise and anti-clockwise 2 to 3 degrees. The dial indicator must not moving. That means the crankshaft pulley reached the 30 degrees before top dead center. We will set the dial gauge to 0. Okay, so that's the our dial gauge already in the 0. Okay, that's the 30 degrees before top dead center. So just count from the timing mark of our camshaft sprocket. 1, 2, 3. 3 teeth is aligned in our stationary timing mark of our camshaft sprocket. So that is the 30 degrees before top dead center. Okay. Next procedure, turn the crankshaft clockwise to align the number 1 cylinder to 9 degrees after top dead center. So as you can see, that is the 10 degrees. Then this is the 9 degrees after top dead center. Okay, check that the value indicated on the dial gauge is at the standard value after we turn the crankshaft clockwise and align the number 1 cylinder to 9 degrees at after top dead center. So our actual reading is 0.92 mm. Our standard value is 1 plus or minus 0.03 mm. We're going to adjust the injection pump because we didn't reach the standard value according to our dial gauge. Okay, now we will loosen this mounting bolts. Here's another here, mounting nut here, then there is one there. We are using 12 mm and extension bar. Then under the injection pump we're going to loosen the mounting bolts also. Okay, okay, we already loosened all the mounting bolts and nuts. We will tilt the injection pump going to the right side and adjust the needle on the dial gauge so that the display value is uniform. So now we already tilt the injection pump. So the reading is 1.03 mm. So we already adjust in the standard value after we tilt the injection pump. Okay, so now we're going to tighten all the mounting bolts of our injection pump. Now we will going to remove the special tool Prestroke measuring adapter. We're using 17 mm. Then we will retight the nut of the fuel delivery pipe. Okay, now we will return it back the timing check plug of our injection pump. Okay guys, we already finished our video tutorial, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy watching and you learn a lot in this video tutorial. So if you like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then hit the notification bell icon so that you can notify in next video tutorial. So thank you for watching and God bless everyone.